Hello, Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter from your book Beehive, The Sound of Music from class 9th. If I talk about the introduction of this chapter, this title itself is quite interesting, and here the author says Evelyn Glenn listens to sound without hearing it. And it's quite amazing how can a person listen and without hearing. Now we all wonder, and of course we are confused as well. How can you listen to the sound when you can't hear? So this is something we are going to discover in this chapter, that how the Evelyn was able to listen sound although she could not hear. It's kind of a inspirational story. Let's discuss, before we proceed with the chapter, let's discuss. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any one of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. The chapter starts with these lines. Someone has commented this about Evelyn. He says that although God took away her hearing power, as she can't listen, she was impaired, but she can feel the music well. Okay, now, and the story of the Evelyn is a motivational story. It inspires all of us to overcome our physical disabilities and achieve our dreams and goals, just like Evelyn did. Means we should not give up, and we should not be disheartened if we have the any kind of the physical ability. So from here we come to know about the story, that what we are going to discuss in the story. She plays different instruments like the xylophone and drums and everything. The story of the Evelyn is a motivational story, and it inspires inspire all of us. It is actually, this is the first scene which is mentioned in the chapter is a scene of a train platform. It is underground, and there is no huge rush at the platform. People are pushing each other to get away, and there's a small thin girl, and it is Evelyn. She is standing at the railway platform waiting for the train, and just as she feels the vibration of the approaching the train, she realizes that the train is about to come. As she can't hear the sound, the music the train have made before it reaches and it stops to the station, but she can feel the vibrations, and through that she realizes that the train is approaching and it is about to come. She gets nervous and as well as excited too. This is the train that will take the Evelyn to the London. Why she is going? She is going London to learn music, as she got the admission in the Royal Academy of the Music. And basically, she, from where she was moving, she was moving from the Scotland to London. And London has a very fast life. It is the urban area, and Scotland is kind of different place. It has a farm and the countryside of the place. And she was going there to learn music. She is just 17 years of the age. She is a teenage, and she is a fresh from the Scottish farm. As she from the Scotland, and so she has not seen such kind of the fast life as the London have. That is why she is quite nervous also. She could not hear, and this was the bigger and the biggest challenge for her. And it is also difficult for a person who can listen, who can think, who can see, moving from a small town to the big city where the life is so different and the fast as well. And with this ability, and she is not the one who was born with this inability. Slowly she start losing the power of the hearing, and one day she was absolutely deaf. The Evelyn's mother, whose name is the Isabel Glenn, he was just reminding of the incident when the Evelyn was just 8 years old. She says that the Evelyn was waiting for her turn to play the piano. When her name was called out, she did not respond, and her mother realized that the Evelyn did not respond to her name. That means she did not hear her name. So this was the incident when the people come to know that she is start losing her hearing power. When Evelyn was the 11 years old, her marks has started the reducing, and the headmistress requested her parents to take Evelyn to the doctor. When the doctor checked upon Evelyn, he found that the Evelyn had lost the sense of hearing. So doctor advised Evelyn's parents that they should get hearing aids for her daughter. He also suggested that the Evelyn should be sent to the school for the deaf children. Okay, now what happened when a person is living a normal life, and one day a doctor has announced that you are not able to listen. Now you are deaf and you should use the hearing aid, and you should not go to the school where you have all the friends and your favorite teachers and your favorite atmosphere, and you are not allowed to go. Why? Because you are not able to listen, you are deaf. So obviously it was a great shock for her, and her world became the colorless. It turned all black. And now what does this mean? Everything suddenly looked black. It means that all of the sudden you get such bad news, you get some news that you don't accept, and in return you see blackness all around you. That is how Evelyn responded to this news. As Evelyn was passionate about the music, this news also did not break her. She was determined to live life like the normal people and follow her interest in music. Now, on one hand, the Evelyn teachers discouraged her because they knew that she could not hear, and but they met one person whose name is Ron Forbes. He saw the Evelyn was very passionate about the music, so he decided to teach him music, and he taught that he would make her feel music. So he took two large drums and he tuned them to the different notes. Drums are musical instrument, and he tuned each drum in the different notes, so the sound produced by the drums was different, and it is easy for Evelyn to sense it and try to feel the music some other way. So this is how she learned the music, and this is how the Evelyn can listen to the sound. Although she cannot hear, she can sense the different notes in the different parts of the body. Once Evelyn overcome with the hurdle, she started sensing the different sounds through the different parts of her body, and slowly and gradually this is how she progressed in her career. So Evelyn toured the United Kingdom and performed with a youth orchestra. By the time Evelyn reached the age of the 16 years, she had decided to make music her life. So initially Evelyn performed in a group and she has got well in her music. As she got confident, she started performing alone also. If anyone says that the Evelyn has done something great, she does not acknowledge that. She is very humble and down to earth also. Evelyn says that the two important things for the success are the hard work and aim. Hard work and aim. See, without aim, you are like a person without eye. She says that if you work hard and you have an aim, a target which you have to achieve, then you will definitely achieve it. This is all about the chapter. This is the quite inspirational story. Being physically disabled, she did not give up and achieve a big place in the world of music. Hope understood, and I hope you have understood the chapter and listen it carefully.